Hey guys, video on how to reset your maintenance light on my Prius here. I have a Gen 2, mine is a 2006, but basically what you want to do is you want to press these two buttons at the same time and start your car. So let me see if I can get set to do that. This is going to be difficult. So hold these two buttons, the Odo trip and the KMH MPH. Hold those in and then press your power button and the car will start up. Keep those pushed in and you see the maintenance light is gone. So now I can let off, turn it off, turn it back on, and my maintenance light went away. There you go, quick fix. I just changed the oil. I forgot to turn that off and wanted to put that on as a reminder to myself and if it helps anybody else out there. Thanks for watching. Check out the other Prius videos if you have one. I got a few out there. I'll be adding more. We'll see you next time.